Hey, gamers and creators, ready to level up your setup? Meet the MSI Stealth 18HX AI, the 2025 beast that's redefining power and portability. Let's dive into what makes this laptop a game changer. The MSI Stealth 18HX AI 2025, set for release in the first half of 2025 January-June, is a premium 18-inch gaming laptop unveiled at CES 2025, blending high-end performance with sleek portability. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9-75HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs up to RTX 5090 with 24GB DDR7 and DLSS 4. It supports up to 96GB DDR5 RAM and a 2TB PCIe Gen 5 SSD, delivering elite gaming and creative performance. Its display options include UHD MiniLED 3840 by 2400, 120 Hz, VESA display her 1000 or QHD 2560 by 1600, 240 Hz panel, paired with a 6-speaker Dynaudio system for immersive visuals and audio. Weighing just 2.89 kilograms, its magnesium aluminum chassis houses a 99.9 battery, a perky RGB keyboard, and advanced cooling via vapor chamber cooler with overboost Ultra 260W. Connectivity includes Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, and HDMI 2.1, while AI features like the MSI AI Engine and NVIDIA Studio drivers enhance gaming and productivity. Priced at an estimated $2,500 $5,000, with pre-orders starting February 25, 2025, it targets gamers and creators seeking power and portability, though its battery life 3 to 4 hours and high cost are trade-offs. What's your dream gaming setup? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell for more tech updates.